If you've ever wondered how to justify text in OneNote, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple workaround that lets you create justified text and bring it into OneNote with the formatting intact. This is especially useful if you want your notes to look cleaner, more professional, or better organized for presentations, study notes, or client work. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Word gives you access to more advanced text formatting options than OneNote, including full justification. Now type the content you want to use. You can write a short paragraph, a set of notes, or any text you want to appear neatly aligned. Once your text is ready, click and drag to select it, or use Ctrl+A if the whole page is your content. With the text selected, press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. This applies justify formatting, which aligns the text evenly along both the left and right margins. You should now see the paragraph look cleaner and more structured. Next, copy the justified text by pressing Ctrl+C. At this point, the formatting is saved to your clipboard, which means you can move it into OneNote while keeping the style. Now open Microsoft OneNote and go to the notebook page where you want to place the text. Click anywhere on the page to position your cursor. Then right-click and choose Paste, and make sure you select Keep Source Formatting. This is the key step because it helps preserve the justified look from Word when the text is brought into OneNote. If you simply paste normally, OneNote may change the formatting, so using Keep Source Formatting gives you the best chance of keeping the layout you want. After pasting, check the text inside OneNote. Depending on the version of OneNote you're using, the alignment may appear slightly different, but this method is the best workaround for justified text in OneNote. If you need to make the note even cleaner, you can repeat the same process for other paragraphs and organize your page section by section. So, to quickly recap, type your content in Word, justify it with Ctrl+J, copy it, and then paste it into OneNote using Keep Source Formatting. This is a simple and reliable way to get a justified look without spending extra time formatting each note manually. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful OneNote and Microsoft Office tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.